What is good, boys and girls? Merry Christmas. It is indeed Crimbo Day. Now, if you can't see from the front of my bars here, I've got some heated grips. Yeah. They're an absolute pain in the f*** to get on though. I think my bike also might run out of fuel. I haven't put it on reserve yet, and it's God, don't be doing that. And I need to reset my mirrors because I can't see shit out of them. So I've got some heated grips, so I'm going to test them out. I think I'm going to go mental and put them on. No, I've heard 100% is absolutely unbelievable. So I think I'm going to put them on 50% and see what's good. Now, I have heard as well that they take quite a while to heat up. We've got to go and get some fuel first. So yeah, let's go get some fuel and test out these heated grips. He's got a sat-nav on his bike and he's set it up so that it creates a route of however many miles. So we'll just see if it's any good. So I have no clue where we're going other than that we're going in this direction. Sorry if my hand was in the shot then, it's just because I'm sorting out the angle of my helmet. Because I put it on and it was a little bit, well, a bit crap really. I'm also slightly worried that it's getting dark and that you're not going to be able to see anything after a little while. Oh, I think I can feel the grips warming up slightly at this present moment in time. Oh, it's so nice today, everybody's at home. Oh, they're getting warm, they're getting warm, I can feel it! Oh, these babies are getting nice and toasty. The right one feels really warm, the left one doesn't feel as warm. Oh, they work, which means I did something and installed something which works for once. I'm so proud of myself. Oh man. Oh yes, I've got nice toasty. Whoa, flame boy. Come on, you could do it, you're on an adventure bike. Now, I'm wondering whether the left one is working. I think it is getting warm, but I don't know if that's just the placebo effect from my right hand being quite toasty at this present moment in time. Oh, please tell me that. Oh, balls. There might be pay at pump open. Nope. That's a bit shit. That's a good point. Flip it over onto reserve. Gone well.
Yeah,
Clearly not. It's a good point actually, it's Christmas Day. What was I thinking? So is the left one even warm? It's getting there, I think. The right one, however, is bloody toasty. And the left one is heating up. Yeah, it's definitely heating up. Just slowly. Got to try and find somewhere that is open now. So we think we found somewhere to get fuel. How many miles have I done on this tank? Yeah, 121. Oh, no way I'm going to last 50 miles. Okay, if that's fully warm on 50%, I'm going up to 100. See what that feels like. Whee! Christmas Day riding, don't you just love it? No other bastards around. Well, there's a few, but most of them are at home with their families, you know. I'm also slightly irritated because I forgot to clean my visor, so it's filthy from last night. I think I'm also having troubles with this left heated grip. I'm beginning to wonder whether it's working or not, because the right one is now for cucking toasty, flipping toasty, mate, and the left one is sort of nowhere near as toasty. So the right one's doing lots of good work and the left one's messed up. Oh, that is warm. That is very, very warm. And the left one just isn't. I'm going to check what it feels like when I get to the co-op. But my God, my hand's going to start sweating. These are incredible. Oh, that is quite hot now. That is quite very hot. It's like, I don't know how to explain it other than, you know, if you microwave something for like a minute and a half, that's what it feels like if you, when you touch the bottom of the plate and it's like hot, like a hot meal. That's the sort of temperature this grip is at right now. It's kind of unbelievable. Well, when I say this grip, I mean the right grip, because the left grip is just like doing nothing, unless it is slightly warm and it's just ruined. Okay, that grip is getting significantly hot now. Wow, I'm gonna have to turn that down. That's actually quite uncomfortable. Feel sorry for those guys working on Christmas Day. Gotta make the most of it, boy. Yeah, that left grip is not working. So I've got a hot right hand, but not a hot left hand, which is just great. Flipping hell, they're closed. This might have to be a mission abort, because there's nowhere to get fuel. I don't know whether he's going to ride down to Shell or not, but yeah, I will update you when I am there. So we're going to ride down to the services by the A34 and see if there's see if they're open. If they're not open, then I'm just going to have to call it and go home, and it's going to be the most miserable YouTube video ever. There were people fucking shouting at me for. It's like, baby, calm down, please. If you see any speed limit signs and then you look at my speedo, right, we're actually on a closed course, so it's like a film set. So yeah, we're not actually breaking any real speed limits, of course. It's a good job the law doesn't recognise sarcasm, isn't it? Yeah, we're definitely not on a public road. This is all fake. Yeah, we had a big budget for this video. Huge budget for this video. Once again, these are all actors. Paid actors in their cars and vans. And we're on a closed course. Oh. So this speed that I'm doing at the minute, totally legal. Everything that you're seeing is CGI. So there's no need to worry about, you know, telling the police, because, well, legal. You know what I mean? These guys have got to be open. They look open to me. Yeah, boy. No cancelled ride for us today. Yeah. Right, let's get some fuel. Right, let's waddle backwards out of this parking space. We just met the nicest man. He was like, oh, it's not a BSA or a Triumph. I was like, yeah, boy. He knew what was good, mate. Brother talking about how him and Mum go over to the Isle of Man every year for the, just before the TT. Which they do, to be fair. It's saying we're going to get back at like 9 o'clock. I was going to say, it's not 7 o'clock now. I don't really know what to talk about. I didn't really plan anything. I was just like, oh, let's come on a ride and see what happens. and I didn't plan anything to speak about, you know, like before I spoke about licenses and stuff. But this time I was just like, huh, what do I speak about? Yeah, baby, they're both working. Yeah. It's all good. If I don't touch the connectors now, don't touch anything, they will continue to work and all will be well. I did sort of bodge it. I was shoving an Allen key in the connectors and going, get in there, get in, go in properly. So fingers crossed they continue to work. Oh, there we go, I can see now. I was wondering why it was dark. I was like, oh, my headlight is off. So it's a sort of Christmas Day dusky ride, because we've had our Christmas lunch, unwrapped the presents. I got Dad some drill bits and some screwdriver bits for his drill. You can never have too many, and that's what he asked for. So I was like, I will oblige and get those for you. Mum bought herself a couple of bits that she wanted, and I gave her the money for them, and then I wrapped them up and gave them to her. She got herself a hoodie and a pair of like thermal gloves to go inside a motorcycle gloves, because she gets cold fingers and cold feet, like really cold fingers and feet, so you have to try and keep them warm while you're on the move. So I'm hoping this is a good ride. So guys, yeah, I'm definitely going to need to shove some of that glue under these grips because they keep moving and that's not on. It's really quite irritating. Boy, lots of stuff on the road there. But it's just nice out here, you know. It's just pretty. Oh, oncoming vehiculars. Hope you guys have had a nice Christmas anyway. Mine's been good. You know, as I said before, I've been working for a lot of it. This corner is notoriously tight. If I trusted the ground more around here, then I'd be a little bit more fruity, but it is a bit damp, and you know, there's just so much crap on the roads in this country. It's just unreal. My indicator is indeed working again. Oh, I hate this roundabout. It's so lumpy, so bumpy, lumpy, lumpy, jumpy. Oh, sort of doing some back lane bashing at the minute. I'm not sure what it's going to be like down here, and I can barely see because this headlight's rubbish. Loads of people all walking their dogs. Oh. I'm just hoping that you can see at least something to fixate on, because there's not a lot out here. If it becomes not a road, I shall be sorely, sorely disappointed, because this bike is not made for off-roading. In fact, I'm already starting to get aches and pains in my back. It's but it's quite good fun to take a big 600cc bike down a little narrow lane. Way, there's some rocks and shit there. That's why we don't ride in the middle of the road. Blimey, quiet lane. Soz. My throttle's getting stuck. It's free cruise control though. I'm not sure what it's doing. Hey, free cruise control, baby! Hoping you can at least see what my brother's doing, and a little bit of the road up ahead, because he's got God's arsehole on the front of his bike, the brightest thing known to man. It's just nice, you know. As I was saying before, I don't have a lot of time off work, because you know, you've got to make that money to be able to pay for stuff, pay the bills and stuff like that. But and of course I'm saving up for next August when I'm going to buy my next bike, which will be the oh, that was proper bollock hit, that one. The next bike, which will be a Tracer 900, which I've heard is a very good bike, and there's a friend of mine who has a YouTube channel, and she did a video with her friend who has a Tracer 900, and I urge you to go and watch it actually. She's got quite a good community over there, lots of people who support her, and it's fantastic. It's really great to see. I'm sure she'll leave a comment under this video, she usually does. But yeah, make sure you guys go and check out her channel. In this day and age of modern bloody social media, and this is ironic actually because I'm putting it on YouTube, which is modern social media, but in this day and age of, you know, we do everything on our phones, how often do you really get the opportunity and actually make the effort to meet someone new and get to know them? I know I don't very often, but I would still urge you to get out there and meet new people and make friends, because some of those people will be your greatest friends for the rest of your life. I really think people in this day and age should do more and make more of an effort to get out and be yourself. Don't be a sheep. People as part of a community don't want to be different to anybody else, because, you know, they do what their mates are going to think is cool, you know, just like all these young lads financing cars and shit like that. Just be different, you know. There is no shame in being yourself and being different, and I really would urge people to be the change you want to see. Be yourself, be unique. And if you want to make a YouTube channel, if you want to go and get that job, if you know, then go and do it. Just be yourself. I am, or at least I did my best to be shamelessly myself and open and honest, and you know, I do my best. Shamelessly be yourself. Don't try and be someone you're not, or just be someone because that's what you want other people to see. Be yourself. And yeah, as I was saying that, we arrive. So I'll catch up with you shortly, guys. I don't know how easy it is to get another one of them either. That just fell over. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, possibly. I don't know. I usually make sure my kickstand's down before I get off my bike.
I did make sure mine was down. But just, yeah.
Oh dear. I think that's possibly the only thing that's
broken.
Yeah. Likely. Oh well. Shit happens. Well, the GoPro battery is going to die soon, if it hasn't already. So, look guys, I hope you've had a really, really good Christmas. I hope you've spent some quality time with your family. I hope, you know, that you've just enjoyed yourself, had time off work, etc. And I just appreciate you guys being here and watching the videos and commenting and leaving your thoughts. I'm going to do a video soon, I think, on methods for washing your bike. I know I did that sort of time lapse of me washing the Triumph, but until then, you know, I'm going to upload this. I'm going to brainstorm some ideas. If you haven't already joined the Discord, then do that. It's the link to it is on my channel page. You'll find it on there, or any of my previous videos. If I do remember, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. But anyway, you know, it's getting dark. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. So I appreciate you being here, guys. Once again, I hope you've had a really fantastic Christmas, and if I don't speak to you again before the new year, Happy New Year. Let's make 2025 a good one, and I'll see you soon, guys. Stay safe, have fun out there on the roads, and I will see you next time, guys. Goodbye.